If your Hyundai Elantra keeps dropping Apple CarPlay, you aren't alone, but the fix is usually simpler than you think. 85% of CarPlay drops are actually caused by the cable itself, rather than the car's head unit. Let's run through the diagnosis steps to find exactly where your connection is failing. Start by resetting the connection on both ends and cleaning out any lint from your phone's charging port. Always use an Apple-certified MFI cable and try to keep it under 3 feet for the best signal stability. Check your Elantra's infotainment settings to ensure phone projection is fully enabled and up to date. Wireless users should focus on Bluetooth interference, while wired users usually just need a fresh port or cable. Data shows that a new cable solves the problem for 60% of frustrated Hyundai owners. If software glitches persist, use a paperclip to trigger the pinhole reset button on your dashboard. If the USB port itself feels loose or wiggles when touched, you'll need a technician to replace the physical hardware. A quick pro tip is to test a different iPhone in the car to rule out your specific handset as the culprit. With a clean port and a fresh cable, your Elantra should stay connected for the whole drive. See you next time.